Here's trying to take a photo. It's warming up. Usually, if it does print a photo, it prints blanks. Here's one that it printed, just so you see that it can work. It has a new cartridge in it. Out of the cartridge of 10 photos, more than half of them are just blank. It won't print a photo, and most of the time it doesn't even try to print a photo. It just does this, and then will eventually just discard the photo and turn itself off. It's fun. This was a very expensive camera. I think one of their most expensive ones, and you cannot get a hold of their customer support. All you can do is talk to an AI, and it just asks you, random questions and troubleshoots you, but it won't actually connect you with anybody. I am going to continue to try to get a hold of somebody at Kodak. This camera has not, it discarded the photo. Yeah, not surprised. This camera has not been dropped. It has not been damaged. It is in no rattling. It's perfect. Disappointing.
Ładnie mnie broni. Jedne. Epey.